guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you this Halloween makeup tutorial for Snow White. I know a lot of you guys love Disney as much as I do, and you're kind of beginners when it comes to makeup, so I wanted to make this an easy tutorial. But I feel like Snow White has been done so many times, I wanted to make it with a twist, so she has more of a modern baddie look. I hope you guys are excited, and let's get started. Starting off with a fresh face, I'm taking the Porefessional today. You know, whether you're a good princess or maybe a bad one, you still want to make sure that you have a nice and smooth base before going on with any makeup. Even though we're turning Snow White into a bit of a baddie, I'm still going to use the Hello Happy foundation, you know, because it's kind of a reference to her dwarf friends. And today I'm blending in my foundation using a Thrive Causemetics sponge. Normally, Snow White's brows are pretty thin and boring, but today we're going to make sure they're extra snatched using the Cabrillo Eyebrow Gel. I've recently loved doing my brows like this just because I feel like it's really easy to use and the gel is easy to move too. So you see I apply it first at the base of my brows and then just kind of move it upwards. The color doesn't stay super dark, and I feel like this helps blend it super well to make it look a little bit more natural while still looking very structured and sharp. Although the bottom part of my brow is more sharp, I will still be a little bit more soft and rounded with my motions when shaping the top part of my brow. Since you get most of the structure from the way you shape the base of your brow, I want to be a little bit more softer when I'm shaping that back part of my brow. Using my all-time favorite bronzer, which is the Hoola bronzer from Benetint, I'm going to start carving out my cheekbones and make them look extra fierce. I thought the Go-Go tint would be perfect to use on my cheeks just to make them a little bit rosy without being too over the top. And I'm just tapping that in to give them that kind of slight rosy effect. Of course, we can't forget highlight, so today I'm using the Dandelioin Twinkle just to add a little bit of depth and dimension to my cheekbones and my nose. By adding some highlighter to my cheeks right here, you can definitely see how it makes them stand out a little bit more and look a little bit more expressive. To help make my eyes pop a little bit more, I'm taking the Hoola bronzer and a fluffy brush and just going to contour my eyes ever so slightly. Now it's time to really turn your Snow White into a baddie by giving her a winged eyeliner with the Very Real push-up liner. Little pro tip for you guys, I actually like applying this liner with a brush just because I can make my wing extra sharp, you know, for cutting up all those poison apples. I'll be honest, mastering a winged eyeliner can be quite the challenge. So what I like to do is just kind of map out the structure of the wing first and then go back in and fill it in afterwards. I feel like I make less mistakes by doing it this way, by taking it in smaller sections rather than trying to just like breeze through it all in one go. It just looks a lot cleaner in the end when I do it this way. And going along with our baddie Snow White look, this is the perfect time to be using the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Good or bad, we cannot be forgetting the Snow White staple, which are her rosy red lips. So today I'm using the Push Pop in the shade Strawberry to give me an extra ruby red pout. And because I feel like it could never be too extra, I'm going to go in and add some false lashes. Today I'm using the House of Lashes Iconic Lashes, which are my all-time fave. And just like that, your modern and baddie version of Snow White is complete. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe Halloween, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!